Biopedalo from Italy to South Africa, day 281. Let's go! Today I'm heading to Lunsar because there is a bike shop, so I can fix the bike. In the meantime, I can enjoy the amazing nature and the roads of Sierra Leone. But not only that, I'm with Chiqui Mama.
Love you!
Hey,
Love
ciao
you too.
Chiqui Mama! I can't believe it! I didn't get any rain yet. Finally arrived. Very tired. And luckily I found an amazing team that could fix almost everything. Thank you guys.